Hello guys, I am Dr. Ashay Khanna and you are watching Inspiring Minds. First of all, I am very sorry because ये वीडियो ऑलमोस्ट 5 महीने के बाद आ रहा है और वो भी ऐसे आ रहा है कि you can hear the background noise which is because I am standing outside my hospital in the emergency department. So please bear with me. And अब से I'm gonna make continuous videos. At least I'll try to do this. And what I want to tell all of you in this video is I have been receiving many calls from the students, those who want to pursue MBBS abroad, or those students, those who are already studying MBBS abroad, and they want to know how to study for the PG exams for India and for the countries abroad. This is the one thing. Secondly, there are many students, those who are not able to study the subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pathology, pharmacology, just because they don't have the basic knowledge of these subjects and they don't have any plan as to how to prepare these subjects and how to read these subjects so that they can retain more and correlate these subjects clinically. Apart from this, there are some students, those who are not able to figure it out, should they study for the PG exams or they should study for their college exams, like what exact roadmap they should follow. Either they should stick to the curriculum provided by their college or they should focus for the post graduation exams right from the first year or the second years. So we're going to help you with that as well. Now what we are going to do with all these things is we want all of you to just check the link in the description of the Google form in which we have asked 4-5 questions from you, and we would like all of you to write everything in proper detail and please be as descriptive as possible, because जितना आप डिटेल में बताओगे आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या हैं उसी चीज़ को हम उतनी डिटेल में आपको दोबारा से समझा पाएंगे. एंड दिस initiative is just for all of you. And जो भी problem है, it's not just about the academics. Either you're facing financial issues, either you're facing breakups, or you have any sort of problem in your life, be it your academic life, your personal life, your financial growth, or whatever it may be. Just let us know so that we can plan and we can structure the channel according to that. Also, I will make video for each and every student separately without taking your name, and those videos and those questions would be 100% anonymous, so be assured of that. I want to make a very clear announcement that Inspiring Minds, I and Dr. Ayush have not admitted any student for the MBBS abroad program since 2019. Okay, so this is the thing which I wanted to clear from a very long time, but I did not get time or I was busy in my personal things. So अब I am telling you, and why we have decided to stop the admission part. I guess I and Dr. Ayush will make a separate detailed video of that after whatever I have told you, because our priority for now is to solve your problems. Alongside, we'll tell you what is going on with our lives and where we have reached and what we are doing right now. But सबसे पहले we want to clear all your problems and we want to help you in your journey. So कोई भी problem है, whatever issues you have, like कुछ भी हो सकता है यार. So be जितना जैसे अच्छे से जो भी बता सकते हो, reach out to us via the Google form, because we'll read and analyze each and every Google form and we'll understand it और उतने ही अच्छे से आपको समझाएंगे. बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अगर वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम है सो आपको ये लगता है कि वो सिर्फ आपके साथ ही चल रहा है, बट दैट इज़ नॉट द केस. सबके साथ ही मोर और लेस सेम प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. सो अगर आप वो चीज़ शेयर करोगे सो चांसेस हैं कि और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को उस चीज़ से बेनिफिट होगी. as we have been through it, as we have been through the same journey, so I guess we can help you properly. ठीक है, सो नो स्ट्रिंग्स अटैच्ड. हमारा कोई इसमें मोनेटेरियल बेनिफिट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. इट इज़ जस्ट फॉर यू, ठीक है। सो वट एवर सजेशंस यू हैव, जो भी कुछ है आप कमेंट सेक्शन में भी लिख सकते हो। आर नंबर्स आर इन दी डिस्क्रिप्शन एज वेल, आर व्हाट्सएप नंबर्स, एंड यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल। सो जितनों का जो भी तरीके से हम हेल्प कर सकते हैं, विल ट्राई आर लेवल बेस्ट। And so that is it for this video. So I hope you will forgive me again because अभी तक कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाया, बट येस अब से वीडियोस अच्छे से आएंगे। सो जो भी कुछ है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द इंटरेक्शन और इस जर्नी को दोबारा से साथ में बढ़ाते हैं, ठीक है। सो थैंक यू सो मच, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बाय।